purpose of the visit today was mainly to strengthen the party at the state, to make it stronger than what it is now, and that was one of the main agenda of the meeting. We discussed about how the party can be made stronger than what it is now.
Was there any discussion on forming a new government?
Yes, we did. We did discuss about that. We did discuss about the formation of the government, which we requested, and he did agree that yes, a popular government is very much needed, and that the process for the government and the steps that needs to be taken to form a popular government will be taken.
There is no timeline on leader.
No, nothing on leader. That's nothing on that.
There is no timeline on this.
No timeline, but he says they make the conducive environment for the formation of the government. It's the talks and everything is going on for the thing. That is.
Last time the spokesperson of the BJP have already told that before the extension of this PR government, the government will form. But
before the
extension of the PR.
Okay, I think extension is. I think the last date is the 12th of February, 2025. I think we still have many months for that to go. So, but he was of the opinion that they will try and form the government, at a very.
So, do you think that this new government will be formed before the end of this PR?
Oh, that is the word which they have given us, that there will be no extension. 15 gi possibility matung haibani ko mamang haibani te ko 15 gi manung nate that means matlab after tawraga adugi before yaringai thuna sem ni haibani misquote to yawe February tang trangwa mamang daga haiba misquote to khara yawe.
So that means this probably will form after November 15th.
Let's see what happens. But akoy de matam timeline ke sulaite adu thuna moi ki wakhan de zo sarkar manipur thuna popular government ama thuna lakpase see that is yamna darkar oi have is moi yaning